Teddy bear. Bedtime for Peppa.
It is almost bedtime. Peppa and George are just finishing their supper.
Daddy Pig.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry, people.
It's been a long day.
Long
George
time
and I
ago.
aren't sleepy at all. Can we play in the garden? But it's almost your
Sure,
bedtime. Can we play outside for just a tiny bit? Please, Mummy. Please, Daddy.
Sure, won't
But you must come in when we call you for your bath. I don't know where they get their
Chocolate bar.
Peppa and George are playing one last game
One more
before
time.
Look, George. Lots of muddy puddles.
Peppa and George are wearing their boots. They are going to jump up and down in muddy puddles. Peppa loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles. George loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
Look! The biggest puddle in the world.
What a huge
What
big
a
puddle.
big hug. Yeah.
Peppa!
George!
Bath time!
Bath time.
Daddy, Mummy, we found the biggest
found it.
muddy puddle in the world.
Wow.
I can see that.
I love you.
Into the bath. Oh,
Oh,
we just play
can
outside
we
a
play
bit
outside?
longer?
No, it's
No,
bath time.
bad time.
Are you and George feeling sleepy?
No, Daddy. We are not even a tiny bit sleepy.
Peppa and George might not be sleepy, but I am.
Yeah.
Too.
Bedtime, Peppa and George have their bath. Peppa likes splashing. George likes splashing. Peppa and George both like splashing.
That's enough.
Let's get you drying into your pajamas. Oh,
Oh,
can't we just
can we
stay in the
put
bath
that
a
in the bath
little bit longer?
Bath time is over.
Say $10,000 shoes.
Before going to bed, Peppa and George brush their teeth.
Okay,
That's enough brushing.
Into your
In the
beds.
bedtime.
Oh, I think our teeth need a bit more cleaning.
When
When
you're
you're in
bed
bed,
and
Daddy
dreams
Pig
about a
will read you
story.
story.
Peppa and George like stories. When Peppa goes to bed, she always has her teddy tucked up with her. When George goes to bed, he always has Mr. Dinosaur tucked up with him.
Are you feeling sleepy?
Oh.
No, Daddy. We need lots and lots of stories. Daddy Pig will read you one story.
Which
Now, book do
shoes
you want?
one?
The Red Monkey book.
I'll read you the
I
red
read this book.
Peppa and George like
Like
the Red
reading
Monkey book.
ABC magazine.
Once upon a time,
Yeah.
Sorry, Daddy Pig.
once upon a time, there was a red monkey.
Monkey.
And this red monkey
Pajamas.
had
Yeah,
a
taking the bath. And brush your
clean his
teeth.
teeth,
And get ready for
his
bed.
bed. And
And
soon he
sleep
fell fast
fast
asleep.
and
Good
asleep.
night, red monkey.
And
Peppa and George are asleep.
Good night, Peppa and George. Sleep well.
yeah.
Peppa and George are asleep. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are going to watch some television.
Watch television. 101.
And now it's
And
time
now
for
it's time
the
for the
amazing
Super
Mr.
Major
Potato.
Potato Adventure.
Looking forward to watching this program.
The amazing Mr.
Potato
Potato is always
Adventure.
ready for action. He runs fast, jumps high,
Jump
he
higher.
never sleeps.